In this video, we will go through how to manage your members in Thenty. I'm Ryan from Insert Frame. Let's go. So with our new updated plugin, you can now see a snapshot of your application members directly from the plugin just by selecting the members icon at the bottom here. Now, this includes an overview of how many total members you have, new members, and the newest members, so you can see these quickly. To see a more detailed view, you can go into the Thenty dashboard by clicking Manage Members at the bottom here. Now, inside of the dashboard, you can see a comprehensive view of your members, including all their information, their purchases, their search. You can delete members or even assign products. You can also export all of your users by clicking on Export here, or simply adding a new user manually here as well. So anytime you need to find an information about a user, you can simply go to the Thenty dashboard.